welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do enjoy this video. So on today's video, if you guys cannot tell already, I'm going to be cutting my brother-in-law's hair. I do cut hair as well. I do a lot of things. I'm a lady of many talents. So to do this, I'm going to use my Andis T outliner trimmers to pretty much do the lineup and the balding out. And then I'm going to use these wall clippers. I forgot what these are called, but they're walls. They he wanted to hold them for me, but just get them off Amazon. I think they sell them at Walmart. So these are the two products I'm going to be using today. And of course, I didn't show the guards, but I'm going to be using guards as well just to get his hair all blended out. So to start off, because he doesn't really comb his hair like that, he doesn't really take care of his hair, I'm going to just be combing his hair out a little bit so I can get it all off. If it's laying on the scalp, get it all off the scalp just so I can get a nice even cut. All right, and now I'm just going to be using my T outliner blade, T outliner trimmers, just to go ahead and start balding out his hair, just so I can start this haircut off. So I'm using two different devices to record this video, so let me know what you guys think, because I wanted it to be a video where you guys can actually see what I'm doing from all angles. So let me know what you guys think of that. So I'm still going in with the Andis trimmers, and I'm going to do half his head just to show you guys, and then I'll do the other half. I don't know how I'm going to set it up, but yeah, I just want to give you guys multiple angles so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So hopefully you guys like it. Alright, so here I'm going in with my clippers, and I'm just going in with the guard halfway open. This is going to give me a half. So if you have the guard open, that's a half guard. It's going to be that guard and a half. Or if you have the lever closed, it's going to be that exact guard. So if I have it no blade, it's going to be a 0. If I have one guard on, it's going to be a 1. If I have it halfway open, it's going to be a 1.5. Does that make sense to you guys? I just want to explain that to you. So here I'm just scooping out his hair just because I didn't want to put a harsh guideline in. That way it'll make it a lot harder for me to get that line out. So I'm just scooping out. I'm going up. My lever is halfway open, and I'm just going around his head, okay? So here's a better angle of what I'm talking about when I say scoop out. I'm literally going in a C shape, and I'm scooping out his hair just to make sure that I'm not, again, leaving in that harsh guideline. So now I'm going in with the one guard, and this is going to be with the lever closed. So this is a true one, and I'm continuing to scoop out. I'm just slowly going up. I'm going up, I think, about an inch maybe, and I'm doing the same motion. I'm scooping out just to make sure I don't put in no harsh guideline. So here I'm on the other side. I'm literally doing the same thing to this side that I did to the other side. So to start off, I'm using my trimmers, and I'm just starting that first guideline. I'm going to bald out the bottom. I'm going to take all that hair off, and then I'm going to go in with the one guard closed, start scooping out, going up about an inch, maybe half an inch to an inch, and then I'm going to go on with no guard with the half just to start blending out that line from where the bald to the one guard meet, so I can have a nice fade starting off. As you guys can see, that blend is coming together smoothly and nicely and all that good jazz. So I'm just going, you guys see me, I'm swapping from the lever open to the lever closed. You guys see me flicking that lever up, open and closed. But I'm just continuing, just taking the same steps, you guys. I just want to come back here and talk to y'all. So here I'm just going in and I'm combing out his hair on the top. He didn't want anything off the top. So I'm just going and combing it because he hasn't got a haircut in a while. So I have to kind of reshape his afro a little bit. So I'm just combing it out now to its full extent. So when I cut it, it'll cut even. I'm just going to be doing a freehand trim here. So just to get it so it's not a disconnect. So after all his hair is combed out, I'm just going up a bit further with the 3 guard, just so it's a better transition into his afro. I'm scooping out just so I'm not making any harsh guidelines. And after I finish going in with this 3 guard, I'm going to blend down with the 2 guard, and then I'm going to go in with a freehand trim just to blend everything together. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's going to come together, I promise. So here I'm starting the freehand trim, and I have the lever, just to be on the safe side, I have the lever open, and I'm just going and I'm just shaping this afro so that it all blends together nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to do the same exact steps on the other side so that both sides are blending together nice and smoothly. So right here, I'm just blending his beard, his facial hair into his hair. So I'm pretty much doing the same thing to this that I did to the top. It's pretty much like a mirror image to blend the beard in with the hairstyle. So I first went in with I went in with the 2 guard, and then I went in with the 1 guard halfway open, and then I went in with the 1 guard closed. And now I'm going in with the no guard. I went in first with the lever open, now I'm going in with the lever closed, and I'm just flopping from lever open to lever closed until I get the top line, the top guideline, until I get that out, and it's blending seamlessly with the rest of the hair. And as you guys can see, I'm doing the same exact steps to the other side on the beard to blend it with his hair. So now on to the best part of the video, the hairline. I'm first going in, I combed his hairline down, and then I went in with the 1.5, a 1 guard with the lever open, just to take that hair down so it's laying down. Y'all don't mind his faces. So it's laying down straight so that when I cut it, his hair won't lift up. So that's what I'm doing now. Then I'm gonna go in with my Andis, the trimmers that I've been using, and I'm just gonna line him up and make him look nice and crisp. So y'all just keep watching. Y'all gonna see it's gonna all come together.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So here you guys, I'm just gonna start the prep work for his beard just by combing it out, and then I'm gonna line that up as well. So this is the finished look, you guys. If you do like this video, if you like this type of setup of video, like how I did this video, do be sure to let me know by hitting the like button and comment down below. If you didn't like this video, let me know what I could have did different. Let me know what I could have did better, and I will surely try to change that to get it out for you guys. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.